Equations with variables on both sides often come up when you're comparing companies. For example, if you had a plumber coming to your house, Company A might charge $60 an hour plus $70 just to show up, whereas Company B might charge $50 an hour but $100 just to show up. So you might be looking to see at what point Company A is greater than the cost of Company B. So to solve this, we want to move the variables to one side and then isolate the variable. I would keep your eye on the variable first. We have 60x on the left and 50x on the right. Let's subtract our 50x from this side. So we have to do the same to the other side, and we subtract 50x from it as well. These cancel and we get 10x plus 70 is greater than 100. Now let's move our constant, so we're going to subtract 70 from both sides. So we get 10x is greater than 30, divide by 10 on both sides, and we get x is greater than 3. So we know after 3 hours the cost of Company A will be greater than the cost of Company B. Now sometimes these equations look a little scarier, but the process is the same. So we have 1.2x plus 2 equals 15.2x plus 9. So we want to collect all of our x's on one side. In this case, it would be easier to subtract the 1.2x from both sides so that we end up with a positive variable. It'll work either way, but it's just easier this way. So 15.2x minus 1.2x gives us 14x plus 9. Now let's move our constant. We're going to subtract 9 from both sides. We have a positive 2 combined with a negative 9 gives us a negative 7 on this side equals 14x on the right. Divide by 14 on both sides to isolate your variable, and you get x equals negative 1/2. Flip it around and x equals negative 1/2.